The Paleolithic Age, Old Stone Age, is the earliest and longest period of human prehistory, characterized by the use of stone tools, a hunter-gatherer lifestyle, and adaptation to changing climates during the Pleistocene epoch, Ice Age. It spans from the earliest evidence of stone tool use around 3.3 million years ago, primarily in Africa, to about 10,000 to 12,000 BCE, when the transition to the Mesolithic and eventually Neolithic, with agriculture, began. Paleolithic Age in the world. Globally, the Paleolithic is divided into three main phases, based on tool technology and human evolution. Lower Paleolithic, around 3.3 million to around 300,000 years ago. Earliest stone tools. Oldowan, simple choppers and flakes, starting 2.6 million years ago in Africa. Later, Acheulean, hand axes and cleavers appeared around 1.7 million years ago. Associated with early hominins like Homo habilis, Homo erectus, humans spread from Africa to Eurasia. Key developments: basic toolmaking, control of fire, evidence from 1 million years ago or earlier, scavenging hunting small game. Middle Paleolithic, around 300,000 to 40,000, 50,000 years ago. More advanced flake tools, example Levallois technique for prepared cores, points, scrapers, associated with Neanderthals in Europe, Asia, and early Homo sapiens in Africa. Widespread use of fire, hunting larger animals, possible burials, early symbolic behavior. Upper Paleolithic, around 5,000 to approximately 10,000 BCE. Blade tools, burins, bone antler tools, harpoons, needles, explosion of art, cave paintings, Venus figurines, complex hunting, early music, symbolism. Fully modern Homo sapiens behavior, migration across continents, including to Australia, Americas. Major regions, originated in Africa, earliest tools from 3.3 million years ago, at sites like Lomekwi, Kenya. Spread to Europe, extant Atapuerca in Spain, approximately 1.2 million years ago, Asia, and beyond. Life was nomadic, focused on hunting-gathering, with adaptations to glacial cycles. Paleolithic Age in India. In India, the Paleolithic is shorter and starts later than in Africa. No evidence predating 2 million years ago, with reliable dates from 1.5 to 0.5 million years ago. It aligns with global phases, but shows regional adaptations, extant use of quartzite, local riverine environments, no direct human fossils with tools, but evidence from stone artifacts. Divided into three phases. Lower Paleolithic, roughly 500,000 to million BCE to 300,000, 150,000 BCE. Mainly Acheulean tradition, hand axes, cleavers, choppers from quartzite. Some earlier pebble tools, nomadic hunter-gatherers in river valleys, deserts. Major sites, Adirampakkam, Tamil Nadu, tools 1.5 million years old. Izampur, Hunski, Karnataka, Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, Didwana, Rajasthan, Soan Valley, now Pakistan border areas. Middle Paleolithic, 10,000 to 40,000 BCE. Flake-based tools, scrapers, points, blades, Nevasan culture, similar to Mousterian. Shift to smaller tools, better adaptation to humid, dry phases. Major sites, Bhimbetka, Navasa, Maharashtra, Rowri Hills, Sind-Pakistan border, chert factories, Bilang Valley, Son and Narmada valleys. Upper Paleolithic, 40,000 to 10,000 BCE. Parallel-sided blades, burins, bone tools, early rock art, paintings in caves, end of Ice Age adaptations. Major sites, Bhimbetka, rock shelters with paintings, Belan Valley, Uttar Pradesh, Patna, Maharashtra, Kernel Caves, Andhra Pradesh, bone tools. People lived as nomadic hunter-gatherers, using caves, rock shelters, especially central India, exploiting rivers and diverse environments from deserts to forests. No agriculture, tools primarily stone, quartzite, chert, with bone in later phases. Key comparisons: India versus world, Africa and Europe. Timeline: global starts earlier, 3.3 million years ago in Africa. India begins reliably 1.5 to 0.5 million years ago. Acheulean dominant, no clear Oldowan equivalent. Tools: India has persistent Acheulean in Lower Paleolithic, similar to Africa and Europe, but Middle Paleolithic shows Lavallois-like techniques earlier in some sites, e.g., Atarampacum 385,000 years ago, suggesting possible independent or early spread. Upper Paleolithic, less elaborate art than Europe's Lascaux-style caves, but Bimbetka has significant early paintings. Hominins, Africa, Europe, had Neanderthals, Denisovans, alongside Homo sapiens. India, likely Homo erectus early, then modern humans, no fossils directly linked. Environment and lifestyle. India had humid dry cycles, no full glaciation like Europe, river-focused sites. Global Upper Paleolithic saw more symbolic explosion. Art, burials. India shows continuity, with rock art emerging. These images illustrate typical Paleolithic tools, hand axe from Lower Paleolithic, and rock art from Bhimbetka, Upper Paleolithic in India, alongside global examples like cave paintings. The Paleolithic laid foundations for human adaptation, technology, and culture worldwide, with India's evidence highlighting early dispersal into South Asia.